Hi, I'm Phil from Woodsmith, and today I'm talking about confidence. Confidence in your tools and how that relates to getting the results that you're looking for when you're building woodworking projects. Specifically, I want to look at the Woodpeckers 1281 Square today and how it's a little bit better than the other guy that you might be thinking about. Now, what I really like about the 1281 is that it has a lot more presence. The main body of the square is milled out of a solid block of aluminum. That way, it's ground perfectly square right out of the box. You don't have to worry about it. And that added heft gives you a little more confidence when you're using it, that you're using a precision tool instead of something that's meant for light duty, sorta accurate work. Another thing that it has going for it is these two large cheek pieces, I guess, that you could put on there, creates a lip on the edge of the square. So when I set it in place on a glued up panel, it's not tipping and falling away, so that I can leave it there and not have to worry about it falling to the floor or slipping out of position. Right here on the inside part of the square is something that's really important for me in lining up layout lines, so that I can find my layout line on that corner, draw the line, and I know that I'm getting all the way to the edge of my workpiece. Now, the 1281 is also a great size because it's not too big, so I can use it for checking when I'm gluing up casework to make sure that the case is square. I can flip it on end on the edge of a board to make sure that that board has been cut perfectly square. Or if I'm setting up like a bandsaw for resawing and I want that blade perfectly square to the tabletop, the 1281 with a 12-inch high blade on it is perfect for that. So when you're ready to step up to accurate layout tools and you want a multi-function tool that's going to do the job for you, look at the Woodpeckers 1281 Square.
Woodpeckers 1281 Precision Square is a joy to use. The square is milled from heavy-duty cast aluminum and accurate to within 1/1000th of an inch over the length of the tool. Stainless steel pins align handle cheeks that enable the square to stand upright and rest hands-free on the edge of a board. Like all Woodpeckers tools, the 1281 Precision Square is made in the USA. Get one today.